But you have done some, you have done a mistake of a sign. Sign mistake you have done. Okay, pay attention, and then I'll tell you what to write and how to write. I'll show it to you. Okay, first of all, if you see what can get cancelled, can you tell me what can get cancelled? Here there is minus and here there is plus. So this term can get cancelled, or this term?
Why?
This,
Why
right?
can get
cancelled.
cancelled.
But what is missing here?
3.
3. So what will you do to bring 3 here?
You will multiply the equation 2 with 3.
Yes. We'll multiply equation. So you write here multiply equation 2 with 3. Okay. So first equation as it is, 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. Can you tell me what will the second equation now become?
Yes, it will become multiplying equation 2 with 3. So 6x plus 3y equals to 69.
13 into 3.
Oh.
How much? How much? Unmute.
39?
39. Yes, 39. You said 69. This is 39.
Yeah, because I have written 69 here.
Yeah. Yeah. So you got your, so you're getting your mistake, right?
Yes.
Now what can be cancelled? Okay, first you tell me what can be cancelled here. Then I'll give you time to write.
Plus minus 3y.
Yes, minus 3 plus 3 cancelled. Okay, minus 3 plus 3 cancelled. Okay. 6 plus 2x plus 6x will give you
8x.
8x. And what is 9 plus 39?
48.
48. Now what can be done next? X will be equal to
48 upon 8.
Upon 8. That is 6. Up to your fine?
Yes.
Okay, write it up to here. Okay, I'll tell you the mistake that we did. Okay, you did, there was a sign mistake that you did, and multiplication, that is you wrote 69.
And writing.
Done? After this,
what the
what to
beginning part, so that is why it became easier to do it right now.
Okay, now that's fine. Now what to do?
X will be
Substitute
substituted in the first equation.
Yeah. Okay. Can you do that?
Yes.
Substitute x is equal to 6 in equation 1.
Y is 7.
Show me a calculation. Okay, see, you did a mistake. Plus 12. Plus 12, when you took it on the other side, what will it become? Plus 12. This side it is plus 12. So plus 12 when it goes on the other side will become
Minus 12.
minus 12. Okay, so that has to be 9 minus 12. But
That is 3. So 3y equals to 3. So y equals to 1.
so yeah, 9 minus 12, that is 3. So okay, completed.
So it will become 1 upon minus 1.
That is minus 1 itself. Yeah, 1 upon minus 1, that is minus 1.
That is 1.
Minus 1. Minus 1. You're dividing, you have minus sign, right? 1 upon 1 is 1 divided by 1 is 1 only. And then that minus sign.
No.
No, you didn't.
I mean, I don't know. I did not understand.
Okay, so
X is 6.
minus 3y is equal to
Minus 3y is equal to 3.
9 minus 12, right? How much is 9 minus 12? Plus 3
Oh,
or
yeah,
minus?
yeah, yeah. Yeah, minus 3.
Minus 3. So minus minus cancel. And y will be equal to 3 divided by 3. That is 1.
Yes.
Got it? Okay.
Yes. The fourth one, the second equation has a minus 7. So that is why I could not do it.
Fourth one.
It is m minus 6n equals to minus 7, and all which we have done is only plus.
No,
So
no, that's okay. The sign should not be, sign should not cause any difficulty. Okay, let's see. So you tell me first what to do. Okay, this is 5m minus 3n is equal to 19, and m minus 6n is equal to minus 7. Okay, this minus 7 is okay. There is nothing different about this minus 7. You look at this side only. What can get cancelled? First thing to note that here also minus sign is there, here also minus sign is there. So what you should do? Addition or subtraction? Both the signs are same. What to do?
you will
Addition or
do subtraction.
subtraction? Yes. Whenever both the signs are same like this, then you do subtraction. Okay, if both of this would be plus, okay, if both of them would be plus sign, then what you would do?
Both of them would be plus, then also you'll do subtraction.
Yes, correct. So we'll do the subtract. Okay, now but this is 3 here
Before,
and this is 6 here. What to do to
so
make it same?
multiplying equation 1 with
With
2.
2, correct. So you multiply, I'll name this equation 1, I'll name this equation 2. So multiply equation 1 by 2. Okay, so what will we get? Can you tell me what will we get by multiplying equation 1 by 2?
Yes, you will get 10m minus 6n equals to
19 into 2?
38.
Yes, correct, 38. Second equation, write it as it is. M minus 6n is equal to minus 7. Now you are subtracting it. So what to do when you're subtracting?
Change the signs of the
So
second
minus,
equation.
plus, and plus. Okay. Now, what will get cancelled?
Plus minus 6n and plus 6n.
Cancel. How much is 10 minus 10m minus 1m?
9m.
38 plus 7.
45.
45. So m will be equal to how much? 45.
That's not 45.
Right?
38 plus 7
38
is...
plus 7 is count, no? 38 plus 7, 38, 39, 40.
Yes, it's 45.
45. So m will be equal to 45. 45 what?
Or 9.
Upon 9. How much is 45 divided by 9?
5.
5. So the value of m is 5. Up to here, is it clear?
Yes, and now you have to just substitute m into equation 2.
Okay. Understand and write first up to here. Understand each and every step and write. Okay. Take your time, but understand and write.
Then write it.
Can you find out the value of n?
No, I did not.
Yeah, find out.
Oh.
Substitute in any one equation.
N is equal to -2.
-2. Can you check your sign?
Yes.
Can you check your sign? 2 is correct, but okay, see it is -6n equal to -12. Both the side there is a minus sign. -6n equal to -12. Both the side minus sign is there, so cancel it. So you have 12 upon 6, that is +2. Fine? Yeah. Yes. Did you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Next sum.
Done the fifth sum, like half of the sum I've done it. So
Yeah, I'll just see. You send me the photo, right? I'll see from the photo.
okay.
Okay. Okay. So the first equation here is 5x plus 2y equal to -3 and x plus 5y is equal to 4. Okay, you have done mistake in that, and that is okay. You have done too much mistakes in that. Write this again, okay? Don't write it on the same page, but write it on a new page. Okay, first pay attention and understand it first, and then write. Okay, now here, if you see, here also there is a plus sign, and here also there is a plus sign. So what to do? Addition or subtraction?
Subtraction.
Subtraction. Now, will this term get cancelled? Here it is 2y and here it is 5y.
Yes, it
get
can get cancelled, but after multiplying first equation with 5 and second with 2.
Yes, you can. This is 1 and this is 2. You can multiply first equation with 5 and the second equation with 2. You can do this. So can you tell me after multiplying? I'll write here multiply equation 1 with 5, multiply equation 2 with 2. So what are the new equations that will get formed? First
Yes.
with 5. Tell me first with 5. 5 into 5 will give you
25x plus ny equals
equal
to
to
minus 15.
minus 15. What about the second one?
Second
X
one
in
will multiply with
2
2. So 2x plus 10y equals to 8.
equals to 8. Now next step, what is the next step? Subtraction. So we have to change the sign. So this is
Yes.
minus, minus, minus. What will get cancelled? Yes?
Plus and minus 10y.
Yes. Now, how much is 20? 25 minus 2. 25x minus 2x.
23x
23x equal to minus 15 minus x. Sorry, minus 15 minus 8. Okay, minus 15 minus 8. Both are having negative sign. That means you'll do addition. And then put sign of the greater number.
minus 23.
Minus 23. So here.
So x equals to minus 23 upon minus 23.
Correct. So minus 23 upon 23. 23, 23 cancelled. You will get 1
Upon
and
minus 23, right? There it
no.
is plus 23x. So when it comes on this side, it will become minus.
No, no, no. This is same like this, right? See, if you had 2x is equal to 6, then x will be equal to how much?
6 upon
6
2.
upon 2. But here it is the same. We had 23x is equal to minus 23. So x will be equal to how much?
1.
Minus 23 divided by 23.
So minus 1.
So minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1. So can you write up to here? Okay, right up to here. And then after that, substitute x equal to minus 1 in any one equation and find out the value of y as well. Okay, do up to here.
Yes. Y is equal to 1.
Let me check. Okay. Correct. Correct.
Sixth one, I have a screenshot. I did not see it yesterday. So I have the screenshot. I'll do it from the screenshot.
Sixth one. Huh? Okay. Also, yeah, I sent you this thing, recording. So what I'm doing is all of that, it will be on that YouTube channel, and it is private, so it will be visible only to you. Okay, so if you are not understanding, you can watch that also. You can watch it on that. Is the recording being helpful?
Yes.
Okay, so you watch that also. If still you having difficulty, then we'll solve it all over again. Okay, the sixth one. Okay, in that, did you practice seventh and eighth one also again?
Yes, I've sent you the photo.
Okay, I did not check it.
Me in the sense only if I log in through my Gmail only, then I can see.
Yeah.
So only I can see.
Yes. So video. Did you try opening it? If you open it, it will
Yes,
work.
I opened other also some statistics and
Yeah, that is.
also
They are not private. Those are not private. They are the other
and even
standards.
sets. Yeah.
Yeah, those are the 9th standard, 10th standard. They are my school one. But the 10th standard one where T is written, the playlist, if you see where 10th standard algebra T and 10th standard geometry T, that is for you.
Okay.
Okay, so if you go on in the playlist, it will be written 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard. So the 10th standard
And
ones are
what
free.
about all the earlier recordings of?
Yeah. Geometry also. Geometry just 3 I have uploaded. The remaining also I will upload it. Yeah, I did not get time,
Yeah,
so
no
I'll
problem.
upload it on this. I will do it. Okay. We'll continue. So
Where I lost my 2 marks and all of that, are we going to do that? Because I don't think that is needed. The paper.
you didn't see it?
I understood. I understood where I went wrong.
You understood, no? Yeah. So in that was a 3-mark sum, and in that you have got
One and a half.
1.5. Yeah, I think I did the totaling error. It has to be 18.5.
Okay.
18.5. It has to be. So you got that mistake, right? So there you have lost
Yes.
1.5 marks in that sum.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So we'll move on. Do you have a graph book?
Yes. I don't have a graph book. I have graph pages.
Okay.
Like
So,
free pages.
so what we'll do is in the next class, you sit with the graph papers and
I have a graph book also, but like I have very less pages in those graph book.
no, it's
So
okay. So you can use any graph paper, anything will do. But for the next class, be ready with a graph paper. Okay. So our
yeah.
entire exercise 1.2, we require graph. Okay,
I have it
so
right now also if you want to do it.
yeah, actually, I don't have that application of graph, so I
Okay.
need to download it. So once I download it, then I'll start graph with you.
No,
So
I
we'll
think
move.
from Google also you can. No, but
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, but I want you to do the plotting properly. That's why.
Okay.
Okay, so in the next class, that is next week, we'll do graph. Now we'll do the third exercise, and that is
Okay.
determinants and Cramer's rule. Okay, in that the first is called determinant.
Yeah, this is taught to like me. Maybe you have to do cross multiplication.
Yes. Determinant. So in determinant, what happens is you have numbers between these two lines, and the numbers will be arranged in the form of rows and columns. Suppose this is A, B in the first row, and in the second row you have C and D. Okay, so in this particular, if you can see, there are two rows and two columns. Okay, these are the this is the first row, this is the second row. This will be called as the first column, and this is called as the second column. Okay, now what is the meaning of determinant? What you do is here, you multiply these two, A into D, you multiply A into D, put a minus sign, and you multiply C into D. Now the answer that you get after multiplying, this is called as the determinant. Is this clear? What is a determinant?
Yes.
Let's see an example. So suppose you have your 1, 2, 0, suppose. So first you multiply these two. How much is 1 into 2? 2.
2.
Minus 4 into 0. How much is 4 into 0? That is 0 itself. And 2 minus 0 is 2. So 2 is called as a determinant.
Determinant.
Clear how to find a determinant?
Yes.
Okay.
There can be variables also in the thing.
Yes, it can be. Depends on the sum. It depends on the sum.
Okay.
Okay. Can you tell me the determinant of this?
I have to multiply it.
Yes. Do it, solve it.
Minus 1, comma 2.
What is that? Minus?
Minus 1, comma 2.
Comma? No, comma won't come. 1 minus 2.
No, it's minus 1.
Yeah, minus 1.
Yeah, so the first one answer is minus 1, and the second one is that 2 into 1 is 2.
Okay. No. We are doing subtraction. Subtraction. There's a minus sign here.
Okay.
So minus 1 into 1, you got 1. Minus 2 into 1, that is 2.
Okay,
And
so it'll be
1,
minus 1, minus 2.
1 minus 2. Minus 1 into minus 1, what happened? Plus
Minus
1, right?
1.
Minus into
No, but the
minus.
bigger number sign is minus.
Minus into minus.
Bigger number sign minus.
Minus into minus is what?
I don't know. It is minus. Is the bigger number sign is, isn't it that?
You're multiplying. Minus.
Yeah, in multiplication.
Into minus. Minus into minus is plus.
No, I'm lost. I don't know.
If it is like this, minus 2, minus 3. Here you're not multiplying.
So here we'll take the bigger number sign.
Yes. But here it is getting multiplied. So minus
then what will become?
So it will become plus here.
Okay.
Clear? Are you understanding? Yes or no? Okay, there is still some confusion.
No. I just wanted to know that if you do minus into plus and minus into minus, so what is the difference?
Okay. Here, this, okay, I'll show you with an example.
No, so I'm asking if I do minus into plus and minus into minus, what is the difference?
Yeah, I'll explain you that also. Look at this example first and then we'll come to that. Okay. When I say minus 2, minus 3, what do you do?
Addition.
Addition. So Add it.
5.
5. But here you will put sign of the greater number here. So that is?
Yes, that is of 3. Minus.
That is minus. Now I'm saying, what will be minus 2 multiplied by minus 3?
Minus 6.
You are multiplying. Here, when you are multiplying, you don't see sign of the greater number. You do not see it.
Last school it said that you have to.
When you're multiplying?
Yes, that is like since 8th we are doing the same thing. If you're multiplying, say, minus 2 into plus 3, then plus 3 is a bigger one, so it'll be plus 6. But you're multiplying.
Okay, this you're saying minus 2 into minus 3 will be plus 6.
So this will become 6. And minus 2 into minus 3 will become minus 6.
No. This is extremely wrong. This is incorrect. Very much wrong. You'll have to restudy it. You might be confused. You might be confused in that. In the school, what they must have said, I'll tell you that. They must have said if it is minus 2 into minus, okay, suppose minus 2 into plus 3. You're multiplying. Okay, you're multiplying. And there is just one sign. So what you do is you remember this basic rule. Minus, okay, start with simple one, plus a positive number. Whenever I say plus, it means positive number.
Yes.
And whenever you say minus, it means a negative number.
Negative number.
So when you multiply a positive number with a positive number, your answer will also have a positive sign. This term is clear? When you multiply a positive, now see, listen to the words carefully. Multiply, okay, multiply. When you multiply a positive number with another positive number, your answer will also be positive. For example, when I say 2 into 3, both of them are positive. So your answer will be positive 6 or plus 6. This is fine, yes? Next rule is when you multiply a positive number, multiply, okay, I'm saying multiply, and this plus will represent a number. So when you multiply a positive number with a negative number, irrespective of which is smaller or which is big, okay, you don't have to see here which is small and which is big because you're multiplying, okay? So irrespective of which is small or which is big, your answer will have a minus sign. Okay. Is this term clear?
Yes.
Okay. See clearly for this example.
And so minus.
Minus 2. Yeah, I'll come to that also. So one by one, step by step. So if it is minus 2 multiplied by 3, then what will this be? First of all, 2 into 3, you know, 6. But 6. 1 is a negative number. There is a negative number. So you put minus 6. Is this clear?
This is not what our school has told us.
Okay. What you are getting confused between two concepts. I will do that concept also. I'll do that concept also. But understand this.
Okay.
Plus into minus. That means a positive number. Listen to my words carefully. Positive number multiplied by a negative number will give you negative. The answer will be negative. Okay. So you see, this is a negative number. This is a positive number. So the answer has a negative sign. Similarly, okay, if this would have been like this, suppose. Okay. Positive number.
Then it would be minus 6.
Then also minus. Okay. Positive number multiplied by negative number. So if plus into minus and minus into plus, both of them are negative. Clear?
Minus,
Remember.
minus.
Yeah. We come to that. Remember this like this. Do you know a magnet? Do you
Yes,
know magnets?
opposite sides
Opposites what? Attract or repel?
attract.
Opposite attracts. So think of this as a magnet. So suppose this is, I'll just denote the North Pole and South Pole as minus and plus. Okay. So
Another magnet also.
plus and plus will attract. So it became plus.
Opposites.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Opposites. Yeah.
Okay, wait. This is not a good example. I'll think of a good example. The last thing also will do. Minus into minus. Okay. Minus multiplied by minus. This will give you
Minus.
no. This will give you plus. Negative
Plus.
gives positive. Is this clear?
Yes, this is all new to me. I'm not done like this.
What you have done, I'll come to that also. You have been confused between two concepts. Just give me a minute. I'll see a suitable example for you.
Yes. Yes. Instead of searching on Google, you can go to Google Scholar. Shall I repeat? Instead of Google, normal Google, you can go to Google Scholar. You just type Google Scholar and you can search on that. So, like, it gives you more brief, like, from a student's point of view. No problem, it's okay. You are on mute.
Okay, this is extremely important, the sign conventions. It is very, very, very important because if you get confused in sign conventions, then there'll be a lot of problem in solving sums. Really a lot of problems in solving sums. So I got a one nice example I got. Let's try that. We have time.
Yeah, no
Yeah,
problem. I don't have any class.
we have time. Okay. I'll try explaining that example, which is very much the same thing only. So I hope that will help you understand. Okay. It's a very basic, simple example based taken from children. So suppose if there is a child, suppose if you do a work, okay, the work can either be a good work or a bad work. Okay, so I'll write here good work or bad work. Okay, now as the name suggests, good means something positive, bad means something negative. Okay, now whenever you do some work, there'll be some result
So
for
good
it.
and good will give you good.
Yeah,
And bad will give you bad. So what will good and bad give you?
yeah, I'll come to that also. So there'll be some result for it. If you did a good work, you will get a prize. If you did a bad work, you will get a punishment. Now, similarly, as the name suggests, prize will be something positive, punishment something negative. Okay. So I'll just erase this. And I'll call the third factor to be some opinion. That means yes.
Favoring opinion and
Yes,
okay.
yes, correct. And no. So similarly, as the name suggests, yes, positive, no, negative. Okay. Let's see the very first case. You did a good work, that is plus, and you got a prize for it. That is again plus. That means multiplication. Okay. We're talking with into. So good work into prize. So what it is, good work and prize, will it be
Will
yes?
give you yes.
Yes. So yes. So I'll give it a positive sign for it. Okay. Second one, you did a good work, that is plus, but you got punished for it. You got punishment, that is minus. Is this acceptable? Yes, acceptable. No, not acceptable.
No.
No, it is not acceptable. So minus. Okay. Let's see the third case. You did a bad work, but you got prize for it. So bad work denotes plus and prize negative. Is this acceptable? You did a bad work, but you got prize for it. No, it's not
Bad work
acceptable.
will be minus and prize will be plus.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, I did a ulta. So minus and this is plus. Is this acceptable? Will it be fair?
No.
No. So that is minus. Lastly, you did a bad work and you got punished for it. Is this acceptable? Is it fair? You did a bad work and you got punished for it. Is it acceptable? Is it fair? Yes, you did a bad work and you got punished for it. So yes, it is acceptable. So that means plus. So minus into minus is plus. I hope this example helps you remember. So first one, if you see.
Can I take a screenshot of this?
Yeah. So first one, if you see, good work plus, you got a prize for it plus. So multiplication into minus plus into plus is plus. Acceptable. Second one, you did a good work, but you got punished for it. So plus good work minus punishment. No, this is not acceptable. So minus. So plus into minus, minus. Third case, you did a bad work, but you got price for it.
Hello.
Minus into my plus, this is not
Hello,
acceptable,
hello,
so
hello.
minus. Yeah. Yes, can you hear me?
Hello.
Can you hear me? Can you hear?
Yes.
Okay.
And for some time it will just go on.
Yeah. So is this convention clear?
Yes.
So in simple words, plus into plus is plus, plus into minus is minus, minus into plus is minus, and lastly minus into minus is plus.
Plus.
Okay, so now this should help you remember. Now do this. Do this. Tell me this answer. Yeah, I'll just write it again.
Answer is 1.
Do it again. This was minus 1, 1, 2, minus 1. Do it now. First, multiply this. So that is minus 1 into minus 1. Put a minus sign and then you multiply this. 2 into 1. Okay. Minus 1 into minus 1. How much it is?
1.
This minus sign as it is. 2 into 1. How much?
2.
2. And 1 minus 2?
Minus 1.
Now is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's come back to what you were saying and in which you have a confusion between those concepts. Okay. When I say minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus. Now both the numbers have negative sign. Okay. Whenever both the numbers have negative sign, you add it. You know this, right? You add it
Yes.
and you put sign of the greater number. That is here.
That is here.
Yeah. So when you add it, it will become 3 and sign of the greater number is minus. So minus 3. Okay. And if it is like this, suppose minus 2 plus 1. What would this be now? 1 is a negative, 1 is positive. What do?
You do minus.
You do minus. So 2 minus 1 is?
1.
1. But you put sign of the greater number.
Minus.
That's it. Minus 1. Correct. Okay. Tell me for this. How much will this be?
Minus 2.
Minus. Okay, so this you know, I think. So this is the concept that you were telling about, which is very much different than when you do multiplication. Okay, this is simple addition, subtraction,
Yes,
but in the previous case, it was multiplication. See, when you're
in
multiplying
multiplication also they have said the same, but now I understood.
And okay. Now the same thing will be for division. Okay, same thing for division. This was multiplication, but you can do the same for division.
Same thing as multiplication.
Yes, same thing. That means, so in when you divide, you will have a numerator and you will have a denominator. Okay. So if the numerator is plus and the denominator is also plus, then the answer will be plus. Okay. If the numerator is negative and the denominator is positive, then it will be negative. If the numerator is positive, denominator is negative, then also it will be negative. And lastly, if both numerator and denominator is negative, then answer will be
Positive.
Positive. Same thing as the multiplication. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So we'll end.
Homework.
Yeah, one second. One sum I want you to do one sum. Can you find the determinant of this? Do it stepwise, okay?
Yes, all are positive. All are positive.
Yeah. First, you multiply this two. 5 into 9.
45.
How much? Minus sign.
45.
Yes. Then you multiply these two. 7
21.
into 3. So you have.
So you have to multiply 45 by 21.
No. Subtraction sign is there here, right?
That is what I asked. You have to multiply to minus 49 from 21.
Yes. It is minus.
Twenty-four.
20. Can you show me the way how you have written? Just take the book little bit far. I hope that is a minus sign, correct? 3 into 9 minus. Is that a minus sign? I can't see it clearly.
Where is the minus sign? There's no minus sign anywhere. There's only one minus sign, that is 45 minus 21.
No. See, write it like this. Put an equal to sign. Then you write here 5 into 9 minus 7 into 3.
No, I'm not done that step.
Write it exactly this way. Then 45 minus 21, that is 24. Okay, this is the way you have to write the determinant. Yes, put an equal to sign for the second step as well. 45 equal to 45 minus 21. Yeah, correct. So henceforth, whenever we say finding determinant, this is the way you find out the determinant. Okay, so in our next class, we'll continue this further.
Nothing for homework?
Yeah, for homework, from whatever sums we did today, okay, that which you couldn't solve, those sums redo. Sixth sum, that is a fraction one of first one.
I haven't done that.
That was
Yeah,
solve it and practice 2 times.
Okay, and 4 and 5 also. Yes. 3, 4, 5, 6.
3, 4, 5, 6.
And 1.1, because now next class is going to be on Tuesday, so I have.
Yeah.
Next class is going to be on Tuesday, so yeah, I have lots of time. So from 1.3, should I
from 1.3, first one.
1 and 2.
1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2.
Can you? Okay, yeah, fine. The third one and the second.
Third one is okay, then we'll do the third one, at least first and second.
Yeah, I'll do those. Yes.
First and second. Be extremely careful with the signs. Okay? And write it exactly in the same way that you have written this current sum. Okay, exactly in the same way. Equal to signs properly, multiplication signs properly.
First one, do I have to do it in?
What?
Sorry. First one, do I have to do it in the textbook only or in the notebook also?
You do it in the textbook only, write it in pencil.
So I have done it already.
Okay, what it is?
It's 7.
Tell me block wise. In this block,
Okay,
what to write?
so 3 into 5
Hmm?
minus 2 into 4,
So that will be this
15
block.
minus 8,
Yeah.
which equals to 7.
Okay. So you know. So then you'll be able to do all these three also. This third
So,
one also try. Third one also
okay.
try. If you're not getting, it's okay. We'll discuss.
So do I have to do the first one, fill in the blank with the correct number again in the notebook?
No. No.
Okay,
No.
fine.
Okay. So see you on
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
Yeah.